I did want to show you that I did get some of the glitter gold lip products, and it is better than the ones from LA Girl. OMG. I'm gonna do swatches and eventually I'll try it on my lips. I see these girls doing a whole lip swatch video, and by the end of the video their mouth is red and swollen. And at my age, I don't want to be messing with myself like that. Yeah, I tried I think two of these on, and these are amazing. These are amazing. I got the like black one. This is like a gray purple. This is the purple, and this is the berry red, and then this is the bright red. And these are absolutely gorgeous. You put them on and let them dry. And if you need to, you might need to use two coats. But as soon as you do, I always rub my lips together. As soon as you go, you should see the glitter. And the more you do it, the more, I mean, don't do it too much because it'll come off. But you could just see the glitter. It's just amazingly gorgeous. And then since I was out last week, I was going to see what was new at Walgreens and CVS, and which I need to call CVS. Black Radiance, I guess, is doing a Wet and Wild, and they're not putting out all their new stuff at the same time, making you put in multiple orders. Was just like, dude, just put them all up at the same time so we could just order at the same time and not have to pay shipping because we didn't get this, that, or the other thing. I would have liked to have got, they had a black and a silver, but it looked exactly like my NYX Glitter Gold's black and silver. So I didn't get that. They had like a champagne. They have new eye base colors. They had like maybe a like turquoisey blue. They had a burgundy. I'm trying to think of any other, but it's on their website. I wound up just picking up the pink, the blue, and the purple. And I already took pictures of the swatches on my Instagram. My Instagram is CookieLuce5 or CookieLuce555. So I've been trying to get it on my channel, and for some reason it doesn't do it. I don't know. So I decided to get these. These are absolutely stunning, and of course I'm going to get the purple. What I liked about this blue is that it's got a purple shimmer to it. And one of the things I love is a pink with a gold and or green shimmer. With a pink with a gold and a green shimmer. Yeah, and this one has that. But as a result, it's kind of like two tones. So sometimes in the light, it might look like a goldish color, and then in the light, it's pink. So I picked up the pink. The burgundy didn't have as much shimmer. I might have picked that one, or I might have picked that one up. And maybe later on I might get more colors. But I got these Black Radiance. They came out, I think they had 6 to 8 colors. It is on their website. It is at Walgreens right now with their, new stuff that they have. Like I said, they have like an eye base. The colors were too dark though for me. They had, I think they had like mascaras and stuff, new stuff that they have it's at Walgreens, and it's at blackradiance.com. Yeah, so I think that is it for this week. I was so happy that I got my hands on the Casey Holmes collection. This is my first time actually putting the butter stuff on my face. I did get one before because I wanted the perfume. It smells pretty. It smells really pretty. It kind of smells like maybe what the lipstick tastes like. So the first time I got the collection, it had 2 limited edition highlighters, and it had the perfume. So that excited me. And then the second time I got a collection of butter was because I wanted the cream, but I actually never tried it on. And that Casey Holmes collection with all the limited edition, that's usually what gets me. I really wanted to try it out with that, like everything together, and I'm very pleased, and I'm looking forward to trying out more. Anyway, okay. I will see you next week because I have 2 weeks off. I'll be working on swatches this week so I could have that video up. And so, okay. Mwah.